Dear students, welcome to the another lecture series on data science. Today we are going to discuss data science, point number 1, point number 2, data analytics, point number 3, data analysis, and fourth one, big data and data mining. We will also compare the data analytics and the data analysis. We will also come to learn the difference between data analytics, data analysis. Then we will switch to the big data and its architecture and environment. And further, we will learn about data mining and different techniques of data mining. Correct? So starting with data science. And when we talk about data and science, so it is a field of computer science, a multidisciplinary field that uses different scientific methods plus algorithms plus processes plus systems to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. So here we have many terms. For example, the scientific methods plus algorithms plus processes plus systems to extract insights. When we talk about insights, we must know insights means the capacity to gain an accurate and deep understanding of someone or something. So basically, data science gives us the extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. Now we have two more terms here, structured and unstructured data. This is the question, because data science gives us insights and knowledge from unstructured and unstructured data. So structured data is the data that has a standardized format of efficient access by software or humans alike. It is typically tabular with rows, correct? The data which is in the form of tables and rows. Rows and columns data is known as the structured data because everything is properly maintained, and the unstructured data is which has no rows and columns, which is randomly in any sort of memory available, correct? There is no rows and columns, it is very unstructured, anywhere present in the memory, correct? So basically in data science we have scientific methods plus algorithms. Scientific methods means the calculations, correct? Calculations in science are known as scientific methods. Then algorithms are step by step processes, step by step solution of a problem. The solution is finite. We have finite number of steps. It's very important to know in algorithms we have finite number of steps. If we have infinite number of steps, then that is not an algorithm. Infinite is not an algorithm, correct? Then with the help of different processes, with the help of algorithms, with the help of the system itself, and we get insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. That is what data science is, correct? Now the second agenda for today, or for today's lecture, is to understand what is data analysis. The literal definition of data analysis is it is a process of inspecting, transforming. So we have different words coming up in this definition: transforming and interpreting data to discover meaningful patterns, trends and insights. And it is often involves using statistical methods and tools to gain deeper understanding of data and draw conclusion. Basically, the data analysis is a process wherein we inspect the collected data, and then that collected data is being cleaned. The first important point in data analysis is the collection of data. Correct? Then post to that we clean that data. Cleaning of the data means to remove what is not required. That is cleaning of the data. And then we transform this data into the usable form, which we call as usability. Post to that, we are interpreting this data. We translate the data into understandable form. And the whole process is done by the help of different tools, correct? And what are those tools? There are different tools which helps us in understanding the deeper understanding of data. But here we are understanding the basic definition of data analysis. With the help of different tools, we do inspect a database, we collect database, we do cleaning of database, then we transform that database into the understandable form or readable form. And and discover the meaningful patterns. Discover the meaningful patterns or trends to know more insights. Correct? And this data analysis can be applicable to both structured and unstructured data. Correct? That is what data analysis is. Now, the third important point, which is data analytics. And by learning this data analytics, we will come to know the difference between data analysis and data analytics. Firstly, we will learn or discuss the definition of data analytics. It says data analytics is a broader term that encompasses both data science and data analysis. That means this is a broader term. It includes both the things, data science plus data analysis. So it means the data analytics carries both the things, data science as well as data analysis. That means it is the combination of data science and data analysis. Whatever we do in data science or whatever we do in data analysis, they both belong to data analytics. Correct? That is why it is being said data analytics is a broader term. It is a broader term that encompasses both data science plus data analytics. Correct? It refers to the process of examining data sets to draw conclusion. Correct? Data analytics is a process or refers to a process of examining data sets. We do collect data sets for what? To draw conclusions. Correct? To draw conclusions, and post to that to come up with decisions by doing the examination, by doing the examination on data sets. Correct? So the data analytics is a broader term which encompasses both data science and data analytics, and it is a process basically to examine the data sets for the conclusions. We draw conclusions out of the examination on data sets and to come up with various decisions for the betterment of an individual or for the betterment of an organization. We do data analytics. Correct? And thank you for watching this lecture. Tomorrow we will further elaborate more terms in data science, for example big data, then big data architecture, and data mining. Thank you for joining me, and please do subscribe my channel. I will be uploading lectures on not on daily basis but on In a week I will try to upload as much as lectures I can. And please write your comments in the comment section. If you want me to specially do lectures on any subject in computer science, please let me know through your comments. Thank you so much. Goodbye.